Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to recover your Instagram password and your username if you forgot. So let's get started. At first, let's open Instagram and go to our profile page, and your username is pretty straightforward. It's on top of your profile. In my situation it's exactly real find your solution, and below your profile picture there is another find your solution. That's your name. So let's press edit profile, and here you can change your username. Your username is unique, no one can have that username, and on top of that, which anyone can have. So you can change them right there, but be careful because your username has to be unique. So for password it's a little more involved, but I will show you a few options, so I hope it can help you. So let's press the three lines here and hit settings. And here the first thing I want you to do is hit security. And here I want you to save your login info for security reasons, to make sure you don't lose your account. Next you have your password tab, so let's go there. Here you could change your password, but you need to remember your old password or your current password. Instagram not gonna outright you your password anywhere in a text format because it's a major security violation. So there's no way you're gonna actually see your password, sadly. But if you remember your current one, you can always change it here. At last I'm gonna show you the most important and last thing, but be really careful with this one if you currently don't know your password, because you can lock yourself out of your account. To reset your password you can just log out of your current account and reset it with your email address or your phone address. I'm gonna do this with add your account because it's basically the same if I logged out of my account. So let's go there. And now on this page what I could always do is press forgotten password. It's either gonna require my email, username or phone number. You can choose which one you want to recover your account. So if you forgot your password, you can always reset it this way. So that's it for today's video guys, I hope it helped. Thanks for watching and see you next time.